So PEM from Gruber. I'm gonna take it apart, see what the issue is, and why they couldn't fix it. Apparently Gruber tried to fix this or to make it work. There's some screw and fan cover. Looks like there's some soldering done here on the Megapin controllers, and then more soldering done over here on whatever this board is. Thanks.
That Chinese board. Jesus, this thing's a disaster.
I found unsoldered pieces in it. Just floating around in there.
That's off one of the boards.
It's one of the drivers. Yeah, there.
Are they on? They're on all the boards?
Yeah,
so this is spare pieces floating around?
Yeah, so they just have a piece floating around.
Jesus.
And then they leave the soldering job here.
What a butcher. None of the boards are any good. I don't think. Huh?
And these were torqued way the heck too much.
Probably 10 pounds.
They were torqued so much that I can't get the boards off. Good golly.
Well, and they put the IGBT material on backwards. That's what I like to do.
Crikey. These are like glued and stuck. What the hell? Look at this. The IGBT material wasn't even straight. They replaced these IGBTs because look at them. They're
Yeah, they replaced everything.
they're not. Look at this crap. The yellow tape. And half a piece of.
What the hell's that there for?
And that touchdown over there blew through.
Holy shit. Is your camera picking that up?
Yeah.
Let's do that. Bring it over. So look at the, what the hell is this?
That's part of the insulation that's on this board.
It's only on this one?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
And that's the only one that's
Why would you do that? So it's supposed to look like this. And it's supposed to have... I hope this sensor's good. This has been...
Re-glued. I think it's burnt here.
Fuck. I'll bet you there's other shit going on in this pen too, like fuses and stuff. What the hell is this?
Non-conformal tape.
I know what the tape is, but why? Oh, because you shorted them out. Oh, you probably didn't put any tape on the first time. You think that's going to be a good?
I think it's dirty too. There's shit into it.
No.
Well, there's screws over here.
You know, when I raced motorcycles, I had this saying. I love competition. You know of any?